That'll work for you.
All he needs a little rolly cart to roll around on the ground, push on.
These are the what
creeper just rolled up.
Here we have the halo clip. You can see in the video that we'll be showing of how these work. Basically, they open up like so. We stick it on the actual light. You don't have to do nothing special with this. You can just slide it right on the light like so, and then we're just going to clip it on there, clip it in, slide it in there, and there you go. And then you can slide that stake right down in there, and this will give us this beautiful video of all these. No, keep showing it on me. Showing them. We got all that video. It's gonna be there. So this will give you a beautiful video of all these stakes that we just put in here, and I'll show you the after picture. But this is something that's really simple. It doesn't put no friction on the wire. You know, some of them need to. It puts friction on the wire. It does no friction on the wire. You can just see it holds it pretty strong. They make these also to go up into there, into the roof. But this is just the light for these. So then that way it will make it hold it nice and tight, and it doesn't come apart. I will be moving a bunch, but even then it would stay in there. So these are some nice clips. These are the halo clips. Again, I'll show you some video of some on the ground, and that is what I'll do.